Hi, this is Huram. Uh, if you are looking to add a subtitle to your videos, then this tutorial is for you. Today I will be showing you how to add a subtitle to your video manually and permanently for all media players. So let's get started. Let's create a first. To add a subtitle, you need a text document file, and let's create a text document file first. Just right click on your mouse and click on new and text document. Now change the name to whatever your video name is. In my case, I have a video with name the baby. Wait. Let's see the video first. It's my sweet little baby video. It's having fun in his house. And see, there's no subtitle in this video. So let's add few subtitles to this video. Now open the text document and click File, Save As, and from here remove the .txt to srt and change Save As type to all files and encoding to UTF-8. Save the file and from here start adding the subtitle. To add the subtitle you need three things. First, the number. Second, the timing, starting and ending time. The timing format will be 00:00:00, comma and 000, followed by double dash and forward slash. Then repeat the time format again, 00:00:00, 00:00, 000, sorry, yeah, okay, like this. So this is your starting time and this is your end time. So the first type subtitle, I want to start from 0 second and stay on the screen till 10 second. Then press enter and go to the next line and enter the subtitle whatever you want to. Now just copy the whole thing and go to new line and paste it. Just change the number for second subtitle, tell the starting and ending time, and this subtitle, this second subtitle I want to start from 10 second and stay on the screen till 20th second. Change the text. Okay, like this. Just save the file and close it. You are done for the subtitling, and you can add as many subtitles as you want. Just keep repeating the steps. Now if you see the video again, you can see the subtitle is coming. Okay, till 10 seconds there will first subtitle, and now the second subtitle has come. So this is how you add the subtitle manually, and this subtitle will not be coming on all video players. So let's see on another player, like open with window media player. Okay, let me lower the voice a little bit. You can see there is no subtitle in this video. Okay, to do this you need a software called Format Factory. And to get this software, it's a free software. You can go to pcfreetime.com and go to product, download and format factory. This is a free software. You can download it and install it on your PC. After this installation, just open the software. From here you will see different formats to export in it, whatever your format you want to export the video. In my case, I want to export the video into MP4, so I will be pressing the MP4. Then I will add the file, my video file, just video file, and then go to output setting. From here, scroll down to additional subtitle. Change the type to UTF-8 and the additional subtitle. Select this subtitle file, and from here just the AWS font color to no, and you are done. From here, just press OK and start. So the output setting, check the destination path for the output setting. From here, this is where your subtitle will be saving. It is saving on the desktop right now. After the completion, we will check the file. Okay, it's done. Now check the file. Okay, this is the file. Let's see it. Okay, this is coming in the VLC player. You can see subtitle is added. Now check on the another player. See, you can see the subtitle is coming in video players. So this is how you add permanently for all media players. Hope you liked this video. Please share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the video. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy it.